So second auxiliary to trade is transport and communication. The producers and the consumers, they are living far away from each other. The place of production and the place of consumption are different. So the problem arises is how to make available the goods to the ultimate consumers. So in this way, the means of transportation helps us. With the help of means of transport, the goods from the place of production are transported to the place of consumption and are made available to the ultimate consumers. Then comes the problem of communication, how the people will communicate with each other. Then there are various means of communication like landlines, cell phones, mobiles, internet, email. So with the help of all these means of communication, they communicate with each other, they talk to each other, and the goods are made available from the place of production to the place of consumption. Then is warehousing. There are many goods which are consumed seasonally but they are produced throughout the year, like AC है, या हमारी बहुत सारी क्रॉप्स हैं लाइक वीट राइस हैं. दीज आर प्रोड्यूस्ड सीजनली बट दे आर कंज्यूम्ड थ्रू आउट द ईयर. एंड लाइक एसी है, इट इज़ कंज्यूम्ड सीजनली बट इट इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड थ्रू आउट द ईयर. देन दिस प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व विद द हेल्प ऑफ वेयर हाउसिंग. द गुड्स आर स्टोर्ड in the warehouses, and as and when the demand arises in the market, these are made available so that the supply does not suffer and the prices can be kept under control. So warehousing solves the problem of time gap, like there is time gap in the production and the time of consumption. So this problem is solved with the help of warehousing. Then is insurance. Whenever the goods are in transit, when they are being transported from the place of production to the place of consumption, or when the goods are stored in the warehouses, they are exposed to many risks, like there can be risk of theft, damage, any natural calamity, कोई accident, fire, कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो in order to cover that risk, in order to minimize that risk, the insurance companies provide many facilities to the business organization so that they can cover this risk. So insurance helps us to solve the problem of risk. Then is banking. Finance is required at each and every step of the trade, at each and every step of the production consumption. We need finance to purchase the machinery, to purchase raw materials, to pay day-to-day expenses of the business. So the finance is made available by the banking company so that a business should not suffer because of the lack of finance. Then is advertising. Advertising means how to make the people aware about the availability of goods and services. The goods which are being produced by the producers, they have to be advertised so that the people can come to know that this type of goods are available with the price, features, their qualities. So this problem is solved with the help of advertising. That means advertising helps to make the people aware about the availability of goods and services. So students, it was all about the commerce, that is trade and auxiliaries to trade or aids to trade. So thank you.